In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a YouTube video. Before we start, keep in mind that deleting a video is permanent. Once it's gone, you can't bring it back, and viewers won't be able to watch it anymore. So make sure you really want to remove it. If you're unsure, you might prefer making it private or unlisted instead. But in this walkthrough, we'll focus on fully deleting it. First, open your web browser and go to the YouTube website. Make sure you're signed into the account that owns the video you want to delete. If you have multiple accounts, double check that you're on the right one, because you'll only see videos that belong to that specific channel. Once you're on YouTube, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. This opens a drop-down menu with several options related to your account and channel. From this menu, click on the option called YouTube Studio. This is the creator dashboard where you manage everything related to your channel: your videos, analytics, comments, and more. It may take a moment to load, especially if you have a lot of content, so just wait until the page fully appears. Inside YouTube Studio, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, find and click on Content. This section is where all of your uploaded videos are listed. You'll see a table with columns showing the video title, visibility, date, views, and other details. Scroll through this list and locate the video you want to delete. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct one by checking the title, thumbnail, and maybe the upload date. Deleting is permanent, so it's worth being absolutely sure. Now, look at the row for that video. Just to the right of the video title, you'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots. These dots open a menu of actions for that specific video. Click on the 3 dots. A small menu will appear with several options. From this list, click on Delete Forever. YouTube will usually show a confirmation message reminding you that this action can't be undone. Read that carefully, and if you're certain you want to proceed, confirm the deletion by following the prompt on screen. After you confirm, YouTube will remove the video from your channel, and it will no longer be available for viewers to watch. That's it. You've successfully deleted a YouTube video using YouTube Studio.